entertainment, fresh, whatever. You understand? Actually, when we get back, we shall be connecting with my brother Martin Australia. Acholi Hoods! Let's hear from him.
Yo, what's good? What's good? One Lord TV. It's your boy Acholi Hoodster. That's my stage name. My government name is Jacob James. For my tribe, I'm an Acholi from Pajok, Panto clan in South Sudan. I joined the music industry. I started as a DJ way back a couple of years in South Australia, Adelaide City. Then later on, after that couple of years on, I got interested into making my own song, my own music, By then, late 2013, I decided first thing first, in order for me to make my own music, I decided to open up my own record labels, which is Hoods Entertainment Australia, based in Melbourne City, Victoria, Australia. Then short after that, the record label has been established. Then I've been making my own music ever since then, plus signing some couple of artists based back home in Uganda and managing them at the same time. When did I come to Australia? I came to Australia way years ago. I came to Australia 21 years ago, back in 2001, March the 26th. With my father, of course, and my other siblings. The people I'm running the record label with I got Matikos, MTK Productions, a producer. I've been with him since day one, actually, since we started the label, so we've been running it together for a long time. I also have two of my signed artists under the record labels, but they're based home in Uganda. I got Shiny Baby, she's based in Gulu City, and I have Omuzibu Ego J. He's based in Masaka district. And I also have